go. It's got
thumb holes?
some holes.
We got thumb holes in here.
Jeremy's ready. It looks like a ninja.
He looks like the grandpa off brother. What's that daggum show? Three Ninjas? Remember that little show when we were kids?
Three ninjas.
You know what I'm talking about? Old Rocky and Tom and
I remember that.
How come you didn't sneeze
Cole?
18 times?
Oh, I will.
had Three Ninjas and Three Ninjas kick back.
Get
You
Burn
gotta put
them
that hood
legs.
back on. Put that
You
hood
burned
back
them
on.
legs one good time.
well,
Put that hood
they
back
burn,
on.
but they need to get a sun today.
Put all that back on and then look at that camera right there. Yeah.
Ready to go fishing, boys?
Let's go, Grandpa.
Oh,
Thought it was a what?
longbow.
Longbow. That's my old Indian longbow.
I look over Jordan and what do I see?
Old Indian longbow.
Coming for to carry me home.
That's not.
DJ.
Yeah. 6 a.m.
Everything's 6 a.m. in the Piney Woods.
Yep.
Why are we up?
That's 2 hours earlier than it used to be.
Why are we open before 6 a.m.?
You aerate that a little bit harder with your fist flaps.
Now, whatever happened to Walmart's just being open?
Yeah.
Before, I mean, just.
Why can't y'all just open and stay open?
I mean, let's just say some people were supposed to go fishing, they forgot their propane bottle.
And we wanted to drive an extra 20 minutes out of the way to get
Yeah.
one. I say, we quit the mill, we go in business up here and have a 24-hour store.
Like killing.
Running all off of solar panels, that way we ain't got to worry about the light bill. Staying open that long.
Let's do it.
Hey, we can do it like that place.
Yeah.
Do it like that place in
That's it.
the stadium. Except for before you come in the door, you got to put your card in.
We do something like that way when guys
Huh?
like us that come up here don't have a propane bottle. We got you covered.
Yeah. Good idea. Good idea.
Y'all got a thermos too? Aisle 3.
$75.
Man, you guys got it all. That's why we're called We Got You.
We got you.
Welcome to We Got You. You don't have it, we got you.
You forgot it.
You forgot
got
it?
it.
We got it. Mm.
You ever travel with somebody
Put
that
in
always
your coffee
forgets something?
jug.
Well, stop on by. We got you.
Stop on by, we got you. Well, we have all your forgotten needs. Open 24 hours a day. 365 days a year. That's right, even on Christmas.
And on Christmas, all items are 50% more.
Slight holiday markup.
Because you had 364 days to prepare, and you didn't. But we got
We
you.
got
300%
right.
markup. Well, here we are. We finally made it to the boat ramp. We're out here at Jackson Hill Lake Marina. Gonna go do this fishing. We got a little stove we're gonna cook out on the water. Not gonna be a catch and cook, but it's gonna be a cook. We got some old breakfast. We got to try to find these fish. We got 2 boys fishing in a high school fishing tournament. We're gonna see what we can do. Do a little practice fishing. Cause we don't know where we're fishing at. We don't fish over here. Hey, y'all come with us. Me and these 2 pro staffers, big old outdoor pro staffers down here. We'll go catch some fish. Finally got us one there. They like that old June bug, don't they?
I don't believe he's gonna make it.
No, he's a little small.
Cast on top of me. Hey, ain't like you stopped me before.
Well, I ain't gonna lie. Fishing ain't been that great. Is this something gonna lit?
I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's my only issue with it. Sometimes a couple times.
Stick your hand.
There it went.
Yeah, it ain't got very high flames. I just don't like it.
I don't know if it's hot from the sun or heating up.
Well, that's a good thing.
Oh, I see some fumes coming out.
I'll tell you what. It's cold, it's cold.
Hey,
What?
Kansas geese back there.
For Canadians?
I think you can shoot them right now too, can't you?
You can?
I think so.
Oh yeah, we're getting hot now. Well, guys, when the fishing sucks, we bring out the breakfast. Why? That's what we fitting to do.
Oh, you got a lot of drag.
This is what we do here. Big old outdoor style, huh, fella?
That's right. Ready to eat.
I didn't know.
That's what I've been worried about the whole time we've been out here.
Yeah.
Getting something to eat.
We've hit a lot of roadblocks.
Yeah, we have.
How am I gonna flip sausage? You ain't got no utensils to go with this?
Yeah, I do, but I figured we was gonna be at your camp, so we would have brought one. But then you just you need this.
Oh man,
You need this.
we're not prepared.
You need this.
Alright, Troy.
Up top.
Try to keep us out of the grass.
Huh.
We keep running into a bunch.
Well, take me to Toledo Bend.
We got this, it's a gas grill here, as you can see. We'll come all the way up to the lake last night and we didn't have that. Finally got that this morning. Was all excited, got out here on the water. Had to make a trip back to the boat ramp to get this piece. Cause the owner of it, he can't seem to get it all together, but hey, we got it. Good thing we wasn't too far from the boat ramp. Well, trying to cook our breakfast here, you guys, and we got it on high, and it just ain't seem to be getting that hot. Any of you guys out there got this black stone? Leave down in the comments down below and tell us what tell us how you get your griddle that hot. Yeah, we got it on high. You can see here it's on high. And it just ain't, I gotta edit that. And it just ain't getting that hot. Well guys, it's hot. Fish it ain't so great. We came over here to eat our breakfast we cooked.
At noon. Sitting in the shade in the fridge.
High noon breakfast.
Trolling motor's working.
Yeah, we had to get some. We had to get on this bridge, get some shade. Big old pro staff about to sweat to death. We know Jeremy is.
You just chipped your tooth on the eggshell.
Got a little eggshell in there. Finally got it cooked. Old griddle took a little bit, but we got it. One more piece of bacon. We got it, Joe. We got it. It's hot. Hey, my face really that red?
Yeah. I bet mine is too.
It's hot. Get Troy's hair there. That lets you know how the day went.
Woo!
Yeah, she was rough.
It was rough. Didn't catch crap. Caught a sunburn and a sweaty butt crack. But hey, we got, oh, right there, 26. That's a little old bitty thing.
Yeah. It's a stabbing.
Hey, we're
Somewhere to sleep.
gonna get it. That right there is gonna be my cabin for next weekend. We come with that high school fishing tournament.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, we're gonna be right here. Well, we had a good time. Got to stay on the cook on the water. We enjoyed it. little bit bigger.
Oh, she said premium?
Yeah, they got some premium.
Premium down.
They probably got a cooler full of fish. Where they been fishing at, we
That's got
don't know.
that view right there.
Got that view. There's the lake right there. Sam Rayburn killed us today.
Yeah,
We don't fish this lake. We fish old Big T Bend. But hey, we're gonna film it next weekend. So y'all stay with us. Troy and Jeremy, big old outdoor pro staff.
Yeah, that's right. Try to do a little better next time.
And I'm Ryan. Like I always say, keep it bougie, people.